all the way. What fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. What fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve this Christmas light cut crease inspired by 𝐿 on Instagram, also known as Shannon here on YouTube, who is one of the OG beauty queens. Once again, I wanted to keep my Christmas looks a little bit more simple this year and things that you guys could definitely do for Christmas parties, and also throw in some of my fun SFX looks as well, because I had a lot of big boy projects planned for this Christmas, but not the proper big boy energy to complete them. So anyways, with all that being said, if you guys are interested in seeing how you can achieve this Christmas light cut crease look, then just keep watching.
What fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Hey guys, so to get started, I'm going to be priming my face with my Buckle Bunny Beauty Fringe Benefit Primer, and then moving on to foundation, where I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation in the shade 220N, and applying this all over my face using my IT Cosmetics Airbrush Blurring Foundation Brush. I'm then going to be contouring my face with my Buckle Bunny Beauty Creamed Powder Foundation in Mocha, and applying this to all of the areas that I want to add a shadow or deepen before blending out. Now sometimes when doing this, we can start to blend it into areas that it shouldn't be, so I'm going to add some highlighter with my Makeup Revolution Concealer in C2.5, and then what I like to do is leave the concealer on my face, move on to filling in my brows, and then come back to blend in the concealer. This is a trick taught by 𝐼𝐸, and I am absolutely obsessed with it because it makes the concealer more opaque and last longer. Now we still want to set this, so I'm going to be setting it with my Airspun Translucent Powder and applying this to the areas that we concealed before moving on to our eyes, where I'm going to be priming them with my Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Primer and applying this all over my eyelids. Now for my shadow, I wanted to keep it relatively neutral since we are going to be adding the pops of body paint, so I'm going to be going into my ColourPop Disney Designer Collection palette, taking Chip and just applying this all over my lid as a base. I'm then going to be going into Grumpy and applying this on the outer corner of my eye and blending it into the crease. And then I'm going to be taking Triton and doing the exact same thing, starting at the outer corner of the eye and blending it in. And then we're going to be taking that down to our lower lash line as well. I'm then going to be taking the shade Ray and using this as both the color I'm going to be using to highlight my brow bone, and also applying this on the inner corner of my eye and blending that on to my lid. Once that is completed, I'm going to be going into One Kiss, and I'm going to be applying that on the center of my lid as well, before taking Abu and applying this on the outer corner of my eye and bringing it in towards the crease. This is really going to help add more dimension and darken up those areas of the crease. I'm then going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Black Liner and creating a soft wing on both of the eyes, just so it doesn't take away too much from the little Christmas lights that we're going to be painting. Speaking of, I'm going to be taking my Moon Creations body paint in black and creating the little wire that the lights are attached to, and then I'm going to be taking my Moon Creations body paint in red and just creating tiny little red triangles that are going to serve as the lights. Now once that is done, we're just going to be creating the color scheme first, so after that I'm going to be taking my Moon Creations body paint in green and doing the same thing, spreading them out, and we're going to be following that up with our Moon Creations body paint in light blue as well. And the last color we're going to be using for this is our Moon Creations body paint in yellow. This is really going to help brighten everything up. And then we're going to be taking the black body paint once again, and we're going to be lightly outlining these Christmas lights. We want to be very careful because obviously it will be very easy to kind of have the black overtake the color that we're outlining. So definitely try to keep a steady hand with it. And then I'm going to be dipping into my Moon Creations body paint in white just to create tiny little highlights on each of the lights. And it's as simple as that. We're now going to be moving on to our Makeup Forever eyeliner in Dimensional Dark Brown to tightline our lower waterline before moving on to our face. I'm going to be taking my KVD Beauty Shade and Light Contour Palette, taking this shade and just applying this to all of the areas that we want to deepen, and this is also going to help set the contour from earlier. We're then going to be bronzing our face with our Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer before moving on to blush. I'm going to be taking my favorite blush at the moment, which is my ColourPop Disney Designer Collection Enchanted Mirror Blush, and applying that to the apples of my cheeks and my nose. I'm then quickly going to be following that up with my Fourth Ray Beauty Glisten Up Mist, just to kind of help add a little bit more shimmer before going into the real shimmer, which is highlight. I'm going to be taking these two highlight colors from my BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlight Palette and applying this to my cheekbones, my nose, and my upper lip. For my lips, I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Libby pencil in Hoopty and starting off by outlining them with this lip color. Then moving on to the liquid lipsticks, I'm going to start off with actually taking two colors. One of them is my ColourPop liquid lipstick in Lost, and the other is my ColourPop Disney Designer Luxe lipstick in Prince Naveen. This is really going to create a beautiful lip color in my opinion. We're then going to be prepping our eyelashes by curling them before moving on to taking our Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and we're just going to go ahead and sweep this through our upper and lower eyelashes. And once that's completed, we're going to be applying our false eyelashes, and these are my favorite at the moment. They are the E&E lashes in Cherry, and we're just going to apply that to our upper lash line. And that is the completed Christmas light makeup tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. I think that this is the perfect look and super easy to wear to a Christmas party, because honestly you could replace a lot of these colors with eyeshadow as well. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed. With all of that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!